everyone, welcome back. These are the colors I'm going to be using today. Most of them are leftovers from my previous pour, and you can see that only the yellow is really different. The other ones I have just a little bit of color in there. So all of the other ones already have a drop of the methicone, but since this one has more, I'm going to use about 4 drops, 2, 3, 4, okay? And now I'm going to just incorporate it slightly. See, that's it. I'm not like over stirring because I don't want to break the bonds. Now I'm going to use my white. This one only has paint and medium. The medium I use is 45% primer and 55% water. Now I'm incorporating a little bit of gold, metallic gold, because I want to have a little bit of dimension in the background. And so I don't want my pours just plain colors in the background. I think I'm adopting this new model now that I'm just gonna use a different color. Now I'm preparing my dirty cup, starting with a little bit of black that I had. Add the magenta, now the yellow one, and then the blue. Who knows? Maybe I'll get some green from this combination, and a little bit of white. Now I'm going to make a cross with my palette knife to slightly mix them. I think this will help me have a better effect. I really like the way it looks already. And I also like the way the dimethicone immediately starts working as soon as I put it in the canvas. The other thing is, as you can see, it went a little too close to the edge as I would like, but I like to keep it like in the middle, because as the pour evolves, we all know that the paint stretches and expands, and I really don't want my paint all over my table. I want it in my canvas. So I'm trying to make it slide a little bit more, and it looks like I don't have much left in my cup. This is an 8x10 canvas, and I love what I'm seeing here. Absolutely love it. And so I'm just going to try to make it slide a little bit, and it doesn't look like it. So I'm just going to, at this point, lift up the cup and see what it gives me. Can see there. It's not going anywhere, so okay. Do you remember when I started making the dirty slide, that the mixing the colors, that I started with the black? Well, guess what? There it is. The black is the last color that came out of that cup. And so I'm just slowly tilting here and trying to work with what the pour gives me. So I will be right back to show you how it dried. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished pour. It's already been varnished, and a lot of people ask me, what do I use to varnish it? And I'm showing here what I use is glow spray clear coat from Rust-Oleum. And the only thing I did that was different off camera was adding these little drops of gold color to match my background, to create harmony. Other than that, everything is the same. As you can see, I love how the dimethicone created this effect in the cells. and I'm quite happy with it. So thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep pouring.